Hey guys, welcome back for our next lecture, moving rows and columns. Now, learning how to use rows and columns is an extremely useful tool in Excel. The reason is because once you start using, well, not necessarily huge tables, but tables about this size, it becomes really easy to manipulate and control your information when you use rows and columns rather than just moving individual cells. So what we want to do is move this column to the end, okay? Now this one we actually don't need anymore, okay? So we're gonna get rid of that. This one we want to move to the end. Now what we can do is this. We could go that group, then this group, and then the last group. Now, immediately you'll see the issue with this. Number one, it's manual, which means you could forget and leave data in there. It could be another row here that we totally forgot. Also, it's time consuming and it's very slow. So the way we're going to do it is selecting the column by going up here. Now, when you put your cursor over the letter, it's going to change to a black arrow going downwards. So you want to click that. Then you'll see there's a black outline around the cells. What we're going to do is grab that edge until your cursor changes what it looks like. It's going to be a 4-arrow cursor, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to click and grab, and I'm going to drag it to the end of the data. Now you can see there's a little preview. I'm happy with that location, and we release. There you go. Notice how it's so much easier to do it that way, and you're guaranteed that anything in that column will be moved. Now this works for rows as well. So let's move this bottom row into the middle. Now as you can see, it goes 3, 4, 5, and then straight to 11. So even the order is wrong. So instead of going one at a time, bringing it up there, we can actually do multiple rows, just like you can do multiple columns. So what we're going to do is click and drag until you've selected all the columns. You want to grab the edge like so, and we want to move it up here and release. Now that's a million times easier than doing it cell by cell or one row at a time even. So very powerful tool. Alright guys, well that's it for me. A bit of a short one today. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.